What is up, YouTube? Cheap2Rock. I'm back at you again with yet another video. Today, I wanted to show you this hardcore hardware pin I got from Tactical Bruce. Take her down here. Got this from Tactical Bruce. Go check his channel out. Give him a sub. Put a link to him down in the description. Let's get to this. Okay, as you see, I have a Shimano down here now that I'm using as a surface to look at. And, put the camera over here because I think it's kind of better because I can actually see what I'm doing. Just over here I have my laptop. Sorry for any noise you hear. Got the garage door open and the dryer going, so it might get a little loud. Let's check this thing out. Got my laptop over here, and got the info for this. Now this is called, I do believe this is the right one. It is the Hardcore Hardware Pin Series, the TW, I think it's L01, and okay, let's check out the specs real quick. It is a 6000 series aluminum. The finish is anodized black. The length is 147 millimeters, I think it is. Circumference is 12.5 millimeters, and then weight is 35 GM, I think that's grams. Material for the pocket clip is a stainless steel clip. Pocket clip is an awesome setup. I think this thing is awesome. It's probably the coolest thing I've ever owned, little pin I've ever owned. And then it also comes with a refill and cartridge, so it's good. And then on the site it said when it comes to refilling it, just use the Fisher Space Pen refills. That is what I'll have to do, because I will probably keep this thing forever because it is so cool. There's a tactical point. Put it around. Awesome pin. Some paper here. I absolutely love this pin. Love the weight to it. As I said, this is probably the most awesome pin I've ever owned. It has O-rings on both sides, as well as here in the center. Which I will open it. There we go. And you can expose the cartridge. And then put it right back on. Okay. Definitely edit that part out. Oh, not dumb of me. Screwed it in the wrong way the whole time. Okay. I just wasted a couple minutes. Yeah, I keep it in my pocket all the time. It's awesome to have. It's a great grip. You want to defend yourself. As said, it writes awesomely. This thing is sweet. I cannot believe he sent this to me. I'm looking at the price right now. It's $45. I thought that's just awesome. This thing is sweet. It is just an amazing pen. It's not a full review of it. It's just more of an overlook. I'll do a full scale review after I've had it for quite a few months, but I've carried it in my EDC every day since I got it. Figured I'd do a little show and tell of it. It's a sweet little thing. And I didn't even realize it was a pen, because the video I think will be up. You would have already seen the video, and I don't think I noticed that it was a pen. I opened this part. That was dumb of me. Yeah, this thing is pretty cool. As I said, it came with a replacement cartridge. As I said, I will probably keep this thing forever. Just because the odds of me getting another one is probably very slim. But it is sweet. I like it very much. Figured I'd just share this real quick little video with you. Show you my new tabletop setup. Show you this awesome pen I got. This has been Cheap Survival. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Over and out.